Today we have a wonderful treat. It's small and cute like a little bunny, stunning like the double rainbow in the sky, a keyboard that I can't wait to share with you guys. It's the Z40 by Quarkeys. Let's wait no more. I'm sure you're dying to see what this 40% keyboard turns out to be. Okay, that was a short poem by the way. Today's video is all about the Z40 by Quarkeys. It's an ortholinear, low-profile, 40% keyboard that is small and extremely compact. It's small, but it has a lot going on. A PCB that's compatible with most low-profile switches and has RGB per key. This keyboard is not easily available in the market just yet. It's created and designed by a guy called Tommy C from Quarkeys. If you're familiar with a Planck and Mini, it's kind of like that, but it's a lot lower in profile, and certain features of the Z40 makes it seriously stand out and look very elegant. This is their official website, quarkeys.com, where you can know more about it. The designer and creator Tommy C sent the prototype to me. Thanks to him, I can showcase a build on my channel for his group buy that had started in 15th of August. Though this group buy might have ended already, he will soon make a second round of group buy in September. Stay tuned for that. Oh, not to mention, this keyboard comes with multiple colors of aluminum cases like anodized black, anodized dark blue, ceramic coating white, pastel blue, and my favorite, pastel pink. Oh my god, just look at that. Okay, I can't wait to build the Z40. Let's stop the blabbering, blah blah blah, and get unboxing. Wow. Okay, these are the keycaps, which is so cool. I've never... Guys, wow, these are really well printed. Oh my goodness, I really like this color. I think it's very nice. It's so amazing. It's very beautifully etched and look at that. Oh my. Z40 guys, Z40. It's just adorable. It's so small. Whoa. Oh, this is actually really squishy. Squishy. Wow. The squishy toy. And the PCB. Okay, come on, look at that. That's a lot of unraveling. Wow! It's shiny, it's beautiful. Wow. So now we've got all the components, let's do step 0, test the PCB. This is a must. I strongly recommend you guys not to skip this part. The reason being is we have to ensure the PCB can detect key presses and nothing is wrong or defected before you even start soldering. To test it, easy. Connect your PCB to the computer, open a keyboard tester online, take a pair of metal tweezers, make sure it's metal so current can flow, then touch the right pads and left pads of where the switch pins are supposed to go through. You should expect a sound or key press lit up from the keyboard tester display, like this. If you do solder without testing, you may not get a refund or exchange despite finding out the PCB is faulty, as the damage might be from your own soldering mistakes. Okay, the fun part. Lubing the switches. Since I decided to go with the low profile option, I'll be using the red TTC low pro linear switches that came with the set. At first, I wasn't used to these switches because they have an entirely different shape from the normal profile ones. All I need is a thin brush, Krytox 205 grade 0 and Krytox 105 for the springs. Oh, and a switch opener to ease the process. I lube the same way as I would with a normal profile cherry switch. FYI, the Z40 PCB also supports other types of switches like cherry regular profile, cherry low pro, and Coil chalk V1 and V2. Yep, the options are yours to choose. By the way, for those who don't know, a mechanical switch is made up of a bottom housing with metal leaf, spring, stem, and a top housing. I'll be lightly lubing all of these parts. Thankfully, there's only 47 switches, so yeah, one of the benefits of small keyboards, less switches to buy and lube. Rightio, we can finally go to step 3, assembling it. The Z40 comes with an easy build guide so you won't get lost when building it, no worries. By the way, if you're curious about the Z40 build guide, parts, components, renders, updates, head on to Quarkeys Discord where you can chat with Tommy Z, the creator himself, or ask questions to get info about the beautiful Z40 keyboard. Now, let's continue to assemble the rest of the Z40. So, hi, make sure you are well aware of the precautions before getting started to solder. I'm going to make sure I am in a well-ventilated area. I'm wearing a mask so I can protect myself from the dangerous fumes of the solder. So yeah, just a warning, be careful before soldering. Alright, so let's get started. The goal of soldering is actually just to bridge a connection of the pin to the pad. You only need just a small amount of solder to do this, so that it forms a nice concave joint like this one here. If you've never soldered before, don't worry, it seems like a daunting process, right? But if you give it a few tries, trust me, it will be easy. I recommend practice on an old keyboard PCB. You'll get the hang of it. If I can do it as a beginner, definitely so can you. Just touch your solder tip to both the pad and pin to make contact for several seconds, then feed your solder wire into it. Not too much. It should melt on contact and form a joint like this. Very simple. Okay, my first impressions of the Z40 is I was just astounded by the beautiful pastel pink ceramic coating of the aluminum case. It's even, matte, smooth to the touch. The brass foot, oh gosh, makes it even more bougie? Just fancier. I mean, it just looks stunning together with the pastel pink. By the way, this is a prototype, and instead of Quark on the back, the real product will use Quarkeys instead. The black on white keycaps matches perfectly, giving it a minimal yet elegant look. Legends are crisp, clean, aligned well. It's not backlit, by the way. The LED lights does bleed through the keycaps, making it slightly translucent. But this makes it all the more beautiful, especially in daytime, where it looks kind of sparkling from a distance. Oh, the brass foot doesn't just look nice, but it adds some heft to it. Holding it makes it feel solid and sturdy. Can we do a pocket check maybe? Apparently so. It does fit in longer pockets. It's small and compact. Just great. For me, ortholinears are the perfect layout for a 40% because it utilizes most keys compared to other layouts. The low profile doesn't strain your wrist and doesn't show off that floating key style, which is something I dislike in a keyboard. If you're not a fan of low profile, you can choose regular MX switches instead. Check out my friend's channel, Zen the Geek, build his
Hey,
Z40.
what's up, Shia? I got my Z40 here connected to the computer, and you can see I got a little cute little artisan right there. So this is the Z40 with the Durock black switches. So I'm using the XDA keycaps. Let's hear how it sounds. And that was a quick sound test using the Quarkeys Z40. So overall, I've been using the Durock black switches, which are regular in size, with the default double shot PBT XDA profile keycaps. So thank you guys for watching this segment. My name is Zen the Geek. You can check out my channel at Zen the Geek. Please give her a like and subscribe. Thanks, Shia. See you next time.
That was awesome. Thanks, Zen. In terms of sound quality, it's not intrusively loud, just nice and has like a soft clack to it. To lower the sound, the set comes with O-rings that you can put inside the switches to dampen or shorten the key travel, so it's more quiet and less clacky. So I mean, just showing it to you guys says it all. It's a stunning keyboard by Quarkeys. Do check out the Z40 keyboard and get $4 off when using promo code SHASHA. Thanks for watching!